Yeah, so today's little progress is both engine room fenders are in place. Looks pretty neat, I think. And it's really starting to clean up here now, you see. This is the look I'm going for. And I'm gonna change the ignition cables, I think, to black ones. But we'll see. And we have here on the other side also that fender there. And we have the water hose in place, both of them. That one and that one. And now I have started to bleed the brakes. I tested the equipment and it works very nice actually. So now I just cover it up for now, and yeah, it looks like this. So this is the progress so far. Tomorrow I will bleed the brakes on it. Put that cover on. I will bleed the brakes, the rear and the front, and I will put on these nice details on the other side. Isn't this a beauty? And yeah, that will be enough, and that will be tomorrow's project. After that I will changing shock absorbers. I got new ones. They are there, good enough. This is the engine room on the vat now. I think it started looking pretty clean. I may be starting it up tomorrow also. Been a long time now, too long. Okay guys, yeah, I'm gonna show you. This is how it looks when it's black, and yeah, it doesn't look this bad, but it's supposed to be this fenders inside there, so, and I got them, so I'm gonna put them there. Okay guys, over and out from Stingray.